I'm excited to announce today that I've partnered with Musicbed to give away $500 in cash, hopefully to you, a photographer or video creator that wants to make a promotional video using a Musicbed song that you can sign up for right now, so you don't have to make your own songs. Isn't that great? That's why we don't make our own songs. So Musicbed has a huge list, specifically for myself as a wedding shooter. I know the importance of having that perfect song, and also a song that you have legal rights to use, which I also see happening a lot in the wedding industry, is people using songs that you would get sued and you could lose a lot of money and you could potentially bankrupt your business over. So use Musicbed songs that you actually can license and have rights to. The main benefit to Musicbed is the fact that everything on the website is just so great. It's properly mastered, and it's just a highly curated list of songs that really do invoke the emotions that you're after for your wedding films or even your wedding day slideshows. Let's talk about how you can win some money. Here's the situation. All the description and all the rules and the way to enter are in the description below here. But the brief to it is that I want you to make a promotional video for your photography or video company. And it can be for any niche within that. It doesn't have to be for the general, like the full global brand of you as a media creator. It can be just for weddings, or it can be just for families, or it can be just for commercial. Whatever it is, it needs to be in between, I would say 50 seconds to 3 minutes. So 50 seconds, 50 to a minute kind of being that Instagram cut. If you want to submit that, you're totally welcome to. That fits natively, easily on Instagram in your feed. Or you can go up to 3 minutes if you want. Just to appear in the bottom corner here for a second, you have to use a song from Musicbed. So sign up for a trial subscription for a business account, so you're able to use this kind of absolutely everywhere. And if you decide the Musicbed's not for you, you have 30 days to cancel it, and you can still use the song that you downloaded under your trial subscription, even if you do cancel. So don't stress out too much about that, and now we'll get back to the video. One is the general overall look and feel of everything, and music really kind of comes into that. And number two is going to be how it actually sells you and how it actually connects you to your couple, your client, or the end user, whoever's on the other side of that screen, how you talk to them and how effective of a sales tool it's actually going to be. Now, to submit your video, you're either going to upload it to YouTube or to Vimeo. It can be password protected if you don't want it to be public yet. And you're going to submit it to me over email. Here's the email address to submit it to right here in front of my face. And that's really all for guidelines. I don't want to put you in too much of a box. I want you to create an asset that's actually going to be beneficial for your business. That maybe you win the $500 now, and that's great, but I also want you to create some sort of promotional product that's actually going to generate hundreds of thousands of dollars in revenue over the next couple of years. So by creating this, even if you don't win, don't be too stressed out because you've made something amazing for your business. How do you actually begin the process of making a promotional video if you're just sitting at zero and you're like, I don't even know where to begin? I would first start with just collecting all of the behind the scenes, either footage that you have of yourself working, if you had a friend come out and shoot some behind the scenes, or if you were at a wedding day and there was another video team and there might be some footage in there of you working behind the scenes. I would go through all of that, start piecing it together. I personally use Premiere, but you can use iMovie, you can use whatever is easiest for you. Final Cut maybe, or DaVinci. I have a lot of people telling me to start using DaVinci Resolve, so future video coming about that. But however you want to piece it together, go out and start creating. You can be in front of the camera, you can speak to the camera, or you can write a voiceover, or you can do a slideshow of images that you've captured and write a little voiceover for that. There are really no rules, and I want you to create what you feel is the best for your company in the future moving forward. So use this time that we're all kind of stuck at home to create something that's beneficial to your future. Thanks for being here, and don't forget to submit within the next week. And if you are the lucky winner or the top couple, I'm actually going to be doing a video that features all of those on here and talks a little bit more about promotional videos. And if you're a member of Patreon, you don't have to be a member of Patreon to win this, but if you are, you'll know how often I hammer home that you should be making a promotional video, you should be making video content. So hopefully use this as just that small little push to get you creating something that has been on kind of that back burner for a while, that you've been like, I should do that. I know it's the right thing to do to make that promotional video, and you just never got around to it. Get around to it now. Free song, Musicbed, and also $500 in cash. That's all. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you've subscribed. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time to do that right now while I close this laptop. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Don't be like me. Use Musicbed.